Basically, so in this video we basically talk about the extrusion process. So extrusion process, so what is the extrusion process? So if I talk about the basic approach of the extrusion process, so this is like the forward extrusion process and a backward extrusion process. So this is basically the forward extrusion process and a backward extrusion. So how the forward extrusion process perform and how the backward extrusion process perform. So if I talk about the forward extrusion process, so there we have a first a die. All right, so this is a particular die, and into the die, the bottom of that particular die, we have a particular orifice, and here we basically place hot and plastically deformed metal. So this is the hot and plastically deformed metal. All right, which is basically placed into that particular die, and by the help of the particular the ram, we basically provide a pressure over here. So because of that particular pressure, this particular metal will be came out from this particular orifice like this. All right, so this is basically known as a forward extrusion process. So this process is basically known as a forward extrusion like this. So this is the we apply the ram and we apply the pressure over here, and the metal will be came out the forward. So this is the basically forward extrusion process. So this is how it will be work, and it from the top side it will be look like the backward extrusion. So this is not a backward, this is a forward. This is look like this in such a way. Okay, this is a forward extrusion process, and in a particular the backward extrusion process, what actually we have a particular die. So like this is a one die. All right, so this is a one die. All right, and into that particular die we place the metal. This is the metal stock. We place the metal stock, and we apply the force. So when we apply the force, the metal will be deformed and metal will be come to this like take the shape like this. So this is so this is all about. All right, so then the metal will be change the shape like this. So this is so another so this is not look good. So in this particular new diagram, you observe you have a metal stock, and when we here we basically apply the pressure. So as the pressure will be applied, the metal will become this like, and metal will be move this particular side. Okay, so backwardly metal will be moved the backward direction of the opposite direction of the force applied. So in this direction force is applied, but metal move this direction, outward direction. So this is basically known the backward. So metal move the backward direction, opposite direction of the force applied. So this is basically the backward extrusion process. So now another thing is that for a particular the cold the extrusion process, the thing will be little different. Especially the cold extrusion, especially for the forward extrusion process. Forward extrusion process, what actually happened? We have a particular the particular chamber. Into this particular chamber we place a particular the metal stock, and this is I talk about a cold extrusion process, and here we have a particular orifice, and here we have the ram. Here we have a set of the ram. All right, this is a ram we set. Now by the help of the ram we generate the pressure, and here the all the portion are basically the filled by the wire. The purpose of the wire is that it basically distribute this particular force in all around the metal stock. Second thing is that the oil is also act as a lubricating oil, so that metal will be came out from that particular the orifice. So mainly our product is basically the hollow product we basically get in the extrusion process. Mainly we basically get the hollow product. So this all about the extrusion process. Thank you.